Did you know that every time you throw away grass clippings, you are actually throwing money out of your pocket? Most people make a huge mistake. They either burn the grass and pollute the air, or they stuff it into bins as ordinary waste. In this video, I'll show you why this is the most valuable material in your yard and how to turn it into free fertilizer. When the grass grows this high, a regular lawnmower stands no chance. It's time for the string trimmer. Although it looks like hard work, it isn't for me. Once you get the hang of this machine, it goes smoothly. No wasted movements. Right now, we are creating the ultimate supply of organic material. Just look at how much green mass we get in just a few minutes. All that's left is to collect the material and make liquid fertilizer. Raking is the best way to clean your lawn. And see how much material you've actually produced. Every pitchfork of grass I put into the wheelbarrow is a direct benefit for the garden. Every load goes directly into the process of creating free food for my plants. I'll use 1 part of the freshly cut grass to make liquid fertilizer. I fill a bucket to the top with fresh grass and then add rainwater. It's always a better choice than chlorinated tap water. The recipe is simple. Pack the grass into the bucket, pour water until it's completely covered, and let it ferment in the sun for about 10 days. Stir it every few days. When the liquid turns dark, stops foaming, and gets that specific strong smell, you know it's ready. This is pure nitrogen. Use it diluted with water at a 1:10 ratio. Water your garden plants with it, and you'll see them literally flourish overnight. If you treat your lawn with herbicides, do not use that grass to make fertilizer for vegetables. There can be a lot of grass, as was the case with me. That's why you should check out this trick that professional gardeners keep to themselves. It's called mulching. You can use fresh grass or hay for mulching. Look at these onions. I'm placing freshly cut grass around them. It decomposes quickly, feeds them with nitrogen, and retains much needed moisture. Grass used for mulch must not contain seeds. That way, the mulch layer will also serve for weed control. On the other hand, for mulching potatoes, I use dried grass or hay. Why? Because potatoes need airy protection that won't compress too quickly. This creates an ideal insulator. The soil underneath stays cool and loose. This means larger tubers and, best of all, no more back-breaking digging and weeding. See? The grass you wanted to throw away is actually your shortcut to a record yield. If you have more grass than you can use for mulching, the right place for it is composting. But beware, if you just throw the grass into a single pile, you'll get a slimy, messy heap that smells a mile away. The secret to successful compost is balance. The rule is simple: green and brown. For 1 part of mown grass, which is rich in nitrogen, be sure to add 2 parts of brown material, such as dry leaves, shredded twigs, or cardboard. Twigs are key here because they create air pockets, allowing the compost to breathe. Stir it occasionally, add fruit and vegetable scraps from the kitchen, and in a few months, you'll have the highest quality soil that money can't buy. If you know someone who still burns grass, send them this video. Save both their garden and their lungs. Let's move on. Where the ground is flat and the grass isn't too high, the lawnmower does the job easily. What to do with this grass? There isn't much mass here, so I won't even collect it. Experts say that clippings should sometimes be left on the lawn. Even though we all love a neat and manicured front lawn, this makes sense. The clippings decompose quickly and act as fertilizer for that very same lawn. After the work is done, the mower needs cleaning. After cutting succulent grass, a lot of material remains on the underside of the mower. That material is a fine mixture of grass and soil. When scraped off, it resembles manure. Believe me, it serves almost the same function. It is pure energy for your plants. I fed my flowers with this waste, and they will be grateful. As you've seen, what most people consider waste is pure treasure to a wise gardener. Nature does not know the word trash. It only knows the cycle of matter. By using grass clippings, you don't just save money on expensive synthetic fertilizers. You are building healthy soil that will pay you back many times over through higher yields. So, the next time you pick up a trimmer or a mower, don't think of it as a chore. Think of it as harvesting the most valuable material your yard has to offer. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow the channel for more green tips. What do you do with pruned branches? Click on the video that appears on the screen to find out how to turn pruned branches into long-lasting mulch.